In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer BTC from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now open your Trust Wallet. You need to copy your BTC wallet address, right? That is your Bitcoin. So click on it. Click on the receive, right? So open up your Binance. If you have some Bitcoin here on your Binance and you love to transfer it to your Trust Wallet, just click on this. Once you have clicked on, just wait for this to open now. So click on the send. Click on this. Come on here, type in BTC, right? So this is BTC. I'll click on it. So what you need to do is just paste your Bitcoin wallet address here. Select the network. It should be in Bitcoin. So enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, right? Click on the withdraw. You're going to be able to withdraw it once you have done, I think, two verification, the email verification and the other one, right? So they need to do it to be sure that you're the one that is doing this. So once you're going to be able to withdraw your BTC from your Binance, your Trust Wallet, once you have followed these processes. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.